Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to make an order on AliExpress. So ordering from AliExpress is pretty simple. First of all, you have to create your account or log in to your already existing account if you have one. So browse application to find product that you want to order. You can explore your homepage, or you can go at the top of your screen to searching bar and look for whatever product that you're into. And let's pick one product, for example this watch. And first of all, I need to check seller's rating. So let's go to seller's page by tapping name of the store, below photos of the item. And here at the top you should check a percentage of the positive feedback of the seller, and you always want to aim for at least 95%. Okay, so let's go back to the item, and first of all that you want to do is go to description section. Here you can see product details, its specifications, so check out those and also read this description that seller provides. Also look at the photos and videos, and you have to pay attention to reviews section, and especially those ones with photos, because they expose real quality of the item, and you have to read reviews before making an order. Okay, so once you made sure that the seller and item overall is reliable, you can select quantity by tapping here, select quantity of the item. You can select size, color, if it's applicable, of course. So let's choose, for example, this pink, and you can press add to cart button or press button buy now. Let's press buy now button to proceed to checkout page. And first of all, you have to set your delivery address. So here you can add it or you can delete it. Yeah, so apply any changes, or you can add simply a new address. Okay, so once your delivery address is set, you have to select shipping method. Of course, if it's available. For example, for this item it's not available, it's set as default. I have my free shipping. Okay, so then you have to go to payment section. Here select your payment card. Here are many options to choose from. So yes, you can add your card. And at the summary page you can also use your coins at the saved section right here, or you can select don't use any coins this time. And also you can here enter your promo code if you have your promo code, your coupon code. And basically when you are ready to order, press pay now button, and after payment you can track your item in the section my orders until it's delivered. And if you have some issues with your order, you can open a dispute to get your refund for that product. So that were the main steps on how to make an order from AliExpress. I hope that this video helps you, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.